Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is FamBamNY. If you're new here, my name is Chellan. And for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make another balloon bouquet. But this time it's a graduation balloon bouquet. And we will be using black right here. This is 12 inches latex. And this is chrome silver 11 inches. And we will inflate our 12 inches balloon with our balloon sizer right here. And just like that, just like the basic. Okay, so you will need your balloon weight, and I will be using our 20-pound fishing line. Just tie your balloon weight right here. So here you go guys, balloon weight. Put this on here. Then just tie it. So there it is. And now we will inflate our 11 inches chrome silver. This time we will inflate this a little smaller. So we will inflate it to 6 inches or 15.24 centimeter. So now you put your silver on top of your black. So give it a little push and pull a little. Go like that, like number 8. Pull a little bit. There goes your base. Put this on the side. So now we also need our boo-boo balloon. This is 18 inches boo balloon. You have to stretch this before you inflate this. Alright guys, so here it is. Now we're ready to inflate this. So I let it stretch like that so the material gets stretched. Now we're ready to put our stuff. We'll stuff this with some money right here. So this is for a graduation gift. You can use this not just for graduation but for birthday party or any special occasion. So this one right here, I put like a little paper right here so to keep that money stays that way. Okay, to keep it shaped like that. So inflate this a little. And then somehow you just have to feed your money through like that. So we're almost there guys, so just like as I said, this is just your dollar or your bill right here. Roll it and wrap it with your white paper and then tape it. So I do it like that so the tape is not directly on the money itself. So there it's filled with your gift right here. So now we're ready to inflate our boo-boo balloon this time. That should be good. So you give it a little twist. And use your 260Q. Wrap it good so it's not gonna deflate on you. There you go, guys. And now you also need your fishing line again. There you go, and we'll put this on here. Do the same thing. Give it a little push, and then shape like a number 8. There you go, it's not going nowhere. Okay, guys, so we're ready to put our vinyl sticker right here. So we made this from our Cameo 4 Silhouette, and we will stick this on here. Alright, so there it is, guys. Our vinyl sticker right here. So now we're ready to put some decorations here. So I have this miniature flower balloon right here, and if you want to know how I made this beautiful miniature balloons, flower balloons, check the video right there, and it will show you step by step on how to make this. So we will decorate this on here. So we'll stick this using our balloon glue dots. And there you go, guys, we attach all the miniature balloon right here. So this time we'll put this on the side and we will make a balloon curl. So again, if you want to know how to make this in a detailed, how to make balloon curl, we'll put another video right there. If you can follow that one, please check it out, and it will give you a step-by-step detail on how to do this. Alright, guys, so we got our curl right here, so we're just gonna do it like that and then connect each end right here. Like that, guys, and we'll put this on the side, on each side right here. Just like that, and we will use another balloon glue dots right there. Okay. Alright, guys, so for the final touch, we will put this mini graduation cap right on here. And by the way, I put like balloon glue dots right here, so lots of balloon glue dots so it'll stick to your boo-boo balloon. And there you go, guys, this is it. This is the final look of our balloon bouquet, graduation balloon bouquet, or also known as money balloon. So right there, you can shake it like that. It's sturdy. So this is a very simple arrangement of your bouquet right here, and everyone can follow this. And if you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. And once again, this is Bam Bam NY. Thank you guys for watching. To all our supporters out there, thank you very much. Without you guys, we're not gonna be here. And once again, this is not just for graduation. You can change the thing right here to a birthday or graduation or any special occasion. And there you go, guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and this is it. Hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you guys in our next video. Again, this is FemBamNY. Thank you guys. Bye.